Hello everybody of YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing another sound test with my reference 450R by Quadraflex stereo receiver from Pacific Stereo 1978. And what I'm going to be playing on this unit is I'm going to just be playing the song Implora. It's a song you can find on YouTube. It's a pretty good instrumental song for testing. So, here we go. Crank it up a little bit more. There you can see the meters. Bass, treble. Here's another look at the Pioneer. Alright, we're going to go ahead and stop that now. That was just a quick audio demonstration of my reference 450R by sorry about that. It looks like the song started over for a second. But just a quick sound demonstration of the reference 450R by Quadraflex stereo receiver from Pacific Stereo, which was an audio store back in the 70s. I'll probably do another video someday about Pacific Stereo because it's a very interesting audio store. So what I want to show you guys now is this. This is a receiver I got off of eBay yesterday. It is also from Pacific Stereo. It's an earlier unit than that one, which is the reference 450R, but this is the Quadraflex 676, as you can see right there. There's your FM meter, tuning dial, switches and everything, but unfortunately this one has a problem one of the channels is blown in it. I think the output transistors are bad. I don't know if you can see with my flashlight in there, but there's the output transistors on the heatsink inside the receiver, and there's the filter capacitors and the heatsink and the power transformer and the main amplifier circuit board. Right there you can see in the front of the chassis, inside there. So one of those transistors, or two of the transistors I believe, are bad, causing the bad channel. And all of the bulbs are burned out in the front for the dial. You might have been able to notice, but on my reference 450R by Quadraflex, two of the dial bulbs are burned out. The one on the end here and end here, because it's dim on those sides. So I have to get some new bulbs for these receivers. But this one's completely burned out. Every single bulb's burned out in this receiver. So until I get it fixed, I'm not going to order bulbs for it yet. But my reference 450R by Quadraflex, I still have to order bulbs. So just wanted to kind of share that with you. I was always a big fan of Pacific Stereo and happy to own a very rare stereo receiver. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.